How to set timer on Snapchat. So go ahead and open your Snapchat application. Now we are in the camera page of Snapchat, and as you can see, there is no time icon or anything that indicates timer in our page right now. So to set a timer, click on the plus icon. It is below the dual camera and above the scan button. This will show a lot of features that you can use in Snapchat. This includes the director mode, sounds, green screen, and a lot more. But the most important thing in here is, of course, the timer. So scroll down to the very bottom and the timer option should be in here. So simply tap on it, and as you can see, we now have a timer icon in the tools side. It says 3, which displays that the timer is set for 3 seconds. So simply tap on it and it will then capture a photo after 3 seconds. Now if you want a timer for your video, simply click on it. It will then switch to the video timer, and here you can also set the duration of your recorded video. So after setting that, tap on the video or tap on the recording button and it will then record your video. So that is how to set timer on Snapchat. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.